Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to download offline maps in Google Maps. So let's begin our video. So first of all, I just open my Google Maps, and here you can see I just open it. Right now click on the top right corner your profile icon, and then you can find the option offline maps. Here you can see offline maps. Select it, and then there have a option select your own maps. Select it, and then there have a specific area. You can see you just need to select where you actually want. So here you can see I select Denmark, and then there have a option for download. Select it and got it. So you just need to wait for that. So here you can see it's downloading. You just need to wait for completed 100%, and then there have an option recommended maps. You also can download it or you can remove it, anything you can want. Here you can see it's downloading, so you just need to wait couple of moment, and then there have an option on the bottom. It's marking 6%, 7%. So guys, you just need to wait for complete 100%, and then you can easily use it. So that's it. This is the process for download offline maps in Google Maps. I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video.